I started as a miniature painter in 2010. Small brushes, tiny details, hours of silence. Then I moved to digital. The tools changed. The need to create stayed the same. Then video performance. My body became the canvas. And then code, where art and technology become one. Through all of it, in my darkest moments, I created. I didn't plan it as therapy, but it saved me. Art purified what words could not reach. Now I built NIRVANA to give everyone what art gave me. You don't need to be an artist, you just need to begin. NIRVANA runs on 5 AI agents built with Google ADK. A mood agent, a practice agent, an art analyzer, a therapist agent, and an orchestrator that connects them all. Each agent has memory, tools, and a specific role. Every day starts with a breathing ritual. Then you check in your mind, your energy, your intention. The AI selects the perfect creative practice just for you. From 28 practices across 4 pillars: body, mind, concentration, and connection. You can upload what you created, a drawing, a painting, a photograph, or even a video. And NIRVANA analyzes it using Gemini vision, reading the colors, the shapes, the energy. It reflects back what your creation is expressing about your inner world. Your progress is tracked across 5 levels, from awakening to blooming. Each completed level earns you a badge, a certificate of your healing journey. Therapists have their own dashboard, patient emotional patterns, AI-generated session plans, a professional tool built for creative therapy practice. The backend is a multi-agent system with an MCP server for data storage and bcrypt security for user protection. I started using with Google Anti-Gravity IDE, which generated the agent architecture and implementation plan. After anti-gravity credit ran out, I completed the development with Cloud AI, a real hybrid approach. NIRVANA is live now at NIRVANA Therapy Streamlit app. The full code is open source on GitHub. 28 practices, 4 pillars, 5 levels, 1 practice a day. Art saved my life. Now it can support yours too. Heal through creation.